Happy day, children. I welcome all of you for the forenoon session. As per the schedule, today you are going to learn English. Unit 2 Supplement Reader. Already you know it. Unit means one unit comprises prose, poem, and supplement reader. Usually, in supplement reader, you will get stories. Today, we are going to learn about a person by the name Jim Corbett, a hunter, a turned naturalist. Let us see the story in brief. Jim Corbett was a British wildlife photographer, hunter, tracker, naturalist, and writer. He is a wildlife photographer. You know, wildlife photographer means taking photos of animals. Hunter, he was a hunter too, and a tracker, and a naturalist, lover of nature, and also a writer. His birth name was Edward James Corbett, and he had hunted a lot of man-eating tigers. That is, tigers which eat man and leopards in India. And he used to shoot the tigers and the wild animals with his film camera. And his dog Robin accompanied him. And Jim Corbett hunted these animals only to help the people, not for any other thing, not for any pleasure, at the request of the government. His first man-eating tiger hunt was the Champawat tiger. It was a Bengal tigress. You know, tigress means female, which was responsible for nearly 436 deaths in Nepal and Kuan area of India. Her attacks have been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records at the highest number of deaths from a tiger. A tiger killed nearly 436 and it was recorded in the Book of Guinness. And the tiger began her attacks in a Rupal village in western Nepal, Himalayas. She continued, that is the tigress I said, no, so female, she continued her killings even in Kumaon district. Hunters were sent to kill the tigers, but it was not at all possible. She managed to escape from them, and people were frightened to go to forest to collect firewood, fruits, roots, and other things. As you know, in the olden days, from the forest they got many things. So then the British government requested Jim Corbett to help the villagers. He camped in the Kumaon district and started tracking the tigress. Tigress, you know, once you want to kill a tiger means first you have to track. You might have seen in films or in Discovery Channel, you might have seen. After several unsuccessful attempts, Corbett managed to kill the tigress. It was not in his first attempt. Several attempts had been taken, and finally he managed to kill it. It was how he killed the tigress means when it left a trail of blood after killing a 16-year-old girl. Corbett followed it. You know, at last it killed a girl of 16 years and it left the trail of blood. Corbett followed it, and he was accompanied with about 300 villagers. The next day, he shot the tigress dead near the Chadar Bridge in Champawat in the year 1907. Jim Corbett was always against game hunting. You know, game hunting, it was for fun, for pleasure, people do, and he was totally against it. He promoted the Association for the Preservation of Game and the All India Conference for the Preservation of Wildlife, that is for preserving wild animals. He played a key role in establishing India's first national park. You know, in India we have many national parks, and he was the main person to establish national parks. That is first national park, India's first national park, the Ailey National Park. It was by the name. The first national park in India was the Ailey National Park. After Jim Corbett's death on 19 April 1955, the park was renamed in 1957. That is, his death was on 19th April 1955, and the park, that was the first park, was renamed in 1957 as the Jim Corbett National Park. Have you gone to that park, children? Okay. Now let us go for the glossary words. Hesitate, pause before saying or doing something. When you plan something, you just do it. Don't hesitate to do and whatever you have planned. If it is good, you just carry on. Fatalities on an occurrence of death by accident, fate, no, you know. So restricted means restricted area. You're not, that is a limited extent, you're not supposed to go out of it. Pursuit, search. Encroachment, to advance beyond usual limits. Then preservation means, it is protection. Now, Jim Corbett died on 19th April 1955. Corbett shot wild animals in his cinefilm camera. Dash was the first man-eater shot by Corbett, the Champawat tiger. Fourth one, the Corbett shot the tigers dead near the Chattar Bridge. And then question answers I have given as PDF. You can refer PDF and you can complete your class work. And then analog verbal reasoning questions. Reading, knowledge. Work means when you read you get knowledge. Work means you'll get experience. Cricket, bat. You need for cricket, you need bat. For hockey you need stick. Dog means rabies, disease caused by dog. Mosquito means malaria. Man, biography. Nation means it is history. So that only we are learning social history. Bread, bakery. Brick from where you learn. Clean, the place where they make. Doctor, diagnose. Diagnose means they diagnose the disease. Judge, they'll give judgment. Then in page number 62, they are given for grammar degrees of comparison. They are given the link to for unit 1. I just given the link. Same way, if you have the book, you can go for it. Otherwise, I'll say you can go for your e-book, children. Complete your task and send as soon as you see the video. Just send I saw the English video by your name, and then send the completed image in your group before 12 p.m. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.